I said I was going on a birthday cruise? Well, I'm here. I'm on board the MSC Seascape cruise ship, and we're sailing in the Caribbean. We're starting here in Miami, then we sail for the next 7 days to Puerto Rico, then the Dominican Republic, then Nassau, Bahamas, and then Ocean Cay Marine Reserve, and then back to Miami.
Wow!
This is my first time on a cruise ship, and I'm so excited! You want to? Yeah! Do you want me to give you a tour of this huge and really cool cruise ship?
Yeah!
Let's go!
Okay, first is the deck level. Look at this view! It's really early, so the sun is just now coming up. It's nothing but water for miles and miles and miles. And here's a life ring, just in case you can't swim. Ta-da! Look at this upper deck.
Wow, wow, wow.
They have a huge TV screen and so many lounge chairs. If we go around this way... Oh, make sure you walk. Don't run. It's a little slippery. Come on, follow me.
Okay.
Keep coming this way.
And that stage and big screen behind me is where we have all our dance parties. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
And this little pool surrounds the stage. I was practicing my cartwheels up there. Okay, so there's so much more to show you. Come this way. Now we're towards the back of the boat. And I hope you're not afraid of heights, because look down.
Wow!
We're on the 18th floor, looking down on the 8th floor. You want to go down?
Yeah!
Come on, let's go. Going down. Oh, had to make a stop and pick up some more people.
Okay.
Okay, let's keep going down. On the left side and the right side are 2 infinity pools.
Whoa!
And if we walk along this ledge... Look! We're staring off the back of the boat! Water is such a cool blue color. Actually, 2 blue colors.
So pretty!
Okay, let's go back upstairs, because what I'm going to show you next is the coolest thing ever! Okay, close your eyes.
Okay.
And open! It's a Robotron! Look, it spins you up and down and upside down. I can't wait to ride this. I'm gonna be so dizzy. Okay, let's keep exploring. I know this is cool, but there's so much more to show you. Come on! Look at all those barrels up there powering the boat. And look at that cool water slide.
Wow!
And this cool whirlpool, there's 12 of them on this boat. And this infinity bridge. If you're afraid of heights, maybe you should close your eyes. Just for a second. This bridge goes around the side of the boat, and you can see the floors below you, and you can see out into the water. Okay, wait till I show you what's next. They even have an arcade for us kids to play in. Hall of Games. Look at this cool arcade. They have virtual reality, or VR, basketball hoops, a skee ball machine. You can win cool prizes. Whoa, Sonic! I saw that movie. Look at all these games. Whoa! I'm probably gonna spend a lot of time in the arcade. Motorcycle games, racing games. This is awesome. Okay, come this way. And behind me is the Pirates Cove. You can see the arcade from inside Pirates. Whoa! Look at this octopus.
Wow!
This is the coolest water park. There's water falling from the sky. They have slides for the little kids. Woo! And slides that go around and around and around for us big kids. And look, when that bucket fills up, it splashes water on everybody. Oh, look, there it goes! One more look at this giant octopus. And this is the treasure chest area for the little babies. So they can have fun too. So much water! Oh! Look how fast they were going down the water slide.
Whoa!
This water park is the coolest, right? I'm definitely gonna get lost in here. Oh! It's filling up. You hear it? It's about to tip!
The elevators on this ship are super cool. You want to see how they work? Yeah! Look!
18, car D.
Floor 18.
This map behind me is interactive. It shows everything on every floor of the ship.
The marina pool to stop and get some ice cream, and then to Dreamyland. So much ice cream to choose from. Salted toffee, vanilla, coconut, raspberry. This is a tough decision. Okay, now let me give you a tour of Dreamyland. This is where the kids' studio is. You go around this corner. Hello.
Hello, kids!
They're having a superhero night party. Welcome all superheroes. That's me. The studio is here. Then the teen club. The junior club. That's me. A mini club and a baby club. They have a dance crew. Music and games. Let's take a peek inside the mini club. They have a cool spaceship for the little babies. And Legos. Hey, this room is cool. And outside the kids club, they have ping pong. A foosball table.
Down there is another one of the pools on the boat.
Wow. It's like 4 pools in one. This is awesome. at this glass fish statue. It goes from like the floor to the ceiling. And look at this cool display. It's like Times Square in New York City. Remember we went there? Yes! And there's the captain of the ship. Hi, Captain. Oh, and this is my ultimate favorite. The cruise ship has its own chocolate shop.
Yummy.
Look at all this yummy chocolate. That's a boat anchor made of chocolate. Bunny eggs made of chocolate. Even an American flag. Whoa, look at that piano made of chocolate.
Wow-wee!
Even more chocolate. Oh, look, they're about to melt down some chocolate. Let's watch. That's a lot of chocolate. I wonder what he's making. A chocolate circle?
No!
Oh, maybe a chocolate pancake? So cool and yummy. Okay, now let's take this cool elevator down to the Marketplace Buffet and Restaurant.
Okay.
And if you don't want to take the cool elevator, you can take the cool stairs. Car C arriving in 10 seconds.
And in the Marketplace Buffet is where we have all the pizza and fries you can eat.
Yeah!
All those donuts and veggies and fruit. In the buffet, you can have whatever you want and how much ever you want. Some cakes. Oh, and here, kids only. This is where they have the food just for us. Cereal. And more fruit. And more donuts. See? This line is only for us, kids. No grown-ups allowed. Nice and full and ready for our first day off the boat. Look, we're pulling into our first island.
Day 1 on the MSC cruise ship was awesome. How about the Pirates Cove? So fun! Before you go, can you give this video a thumbs up? Oh yeah, and subscribe. And meet me back here next week as we spend the whole day exploring Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic.
Whoa.
Bye!
So grab your passport and travel along with me. Passport Poppy!